Do you like making these videos less than 5 minutes and even free? Don't forget subscribe, like and comment if you like the content. Otherwise, I will take your favorite pet. This video contains a paid promotion to introduce online FlexClip Video Maker developed by PearlMountain Company. In Google, type FlexClip and find this link. FlexClip make videos for free. Free online video editor. There are many tools and templates ready to use. AI tools and more. Click on Tools at the bottom. AI Video Generator. AI text to video. Write a topic and then generate. Now you have all scenes plus subtitles. You can delete the scene if you don't like, or you can add the scene to the timeline. Let's look at the video. You can change everything fast if you don't like. Another interesting option is article or URL to video. Imagine I found this useful blog or article in the net and I like to make a video of it. In Perplexity AI, I write go to this webpage and summarize it in 7,000 characters. Paste the summary into here and paste the link as well. Generate button will make your video. Text to speech. Here you can select the language, voice style, speed and pitch. I'm writing using FlexClip is really easy. Generate and voiceover is ready. AI Translator. Translate project text. Since in the timeline we don't have any project, let's make one. From template, let's select this one. This is an advertisement for mobile app services in English language. Go to Translate project text. Choose Spanish as target language and translate the text in the current project. Now translate. Very fast, the text will be translated. Translate audio to text. In this project, the people are talking in English. Choose Japanese as target language and then translate. Now the subtitles are in Japanese.
Is GPS working? Where is he now?
Yes.
Translate audio to audio. People in this project are talking in English. Choose the target language as French and translate.
Allons la semaine prochaine au concert à Los Angeles.
AI Image Generator. Write a good prompt here to get an image. I'm writing very simple one. Chatbot that answers my questions. Choose the style and ratio and then generate. AI video script. I'm pasting the previous sentence as the topic. Generate will give me all needed scripts to make the video. Another useful tool is AI Auto Subtitle. Let's make subtitle by text-to-speech option. Generate and save to media. Let's add the speech to the timeline. Now the video has the speech but without subtitle shown in the video.
In this tutorial,
come back to AI Auto Subtitle, English as language and content as audio. As a style, I chose vintage yellow. Generate Very fast, the subtitle is ready. Just I need to customize it, decrease the background brightness.
In this tutorial, we learn how to make any video easily very fast.
GIPHY Text. Let's paste the previous sentence. Select this one, that's cool. If you go to free online video editor and choose Tools next to AI tab, you can find many other useful tools like reverse video, video converter, speed curve to easily change the speed of your video, thumbnail maker, etc. Using templates. Go to create a video, first select the video ratio. At the bottom you have access to magic tools. So let's select this one. You can browse to bring your file to timeline, but we want to use the FlexClip templates. From search you can see the templates are categorized. Let's choose this one. Apply all 7 pages and replace to get rid of the black box in the timeline. Let's look at the video. And faster just to see the content. It's cool. If you like to change any element, just click on it and use all options. When happy, export your video. Importing media or recording the screen. From media, you can bring all your files into timeline. From record, you can choose to record your screen. There are 3 options: screen plus webcam, screen only, and webcam only. I choose screen only, and here I want to record the entire screen. Share and 3, 2, 1. It's recording now. Using texts. From text, you have access to very useful options. There are many beautiful text styles. Click Add Heading. You can change many parameters here, like font, size, background, bold, animate, etc. From text style, choose the one you like, and even animation. Let's choose one of these modern titles. It's awesome. Adding subtitles. Already I talked about AI Auto Subtitle. Let's choose manual version. When you write, then you have many options to change. One of the most useful options with FlexClip is the template videos. From search, you can look for keywords. For example, technology. Let's add this video to the timeline. You can zoom in or out, change the volume, speed, chroma key, etc. Template images. Similar to videos, there are many images to choose. Also, you can change the size or adjust exposure, contrast, brightness, temperature, etc. Inside motion, zoom in, out, move in any direction, and even remove the background. If you want to bring another image into this image, just click on the left side that adds as a layer. Adding audio. You can add any audio to the timeline and change volume, fade in, out, etc. One useful trick is to link the audio and video. When you add the audio to the timeline under movie, you see a new option will be appear called Link Audio and Scene. Adding elements. From Elements tab, you can find many useful elements to add to your timeline or to your image. Adding effects. I'm going to select this brush effect that is very trendy these days. Or this one. To clean workspace. Click on Cloud Space at the end if you like to delete your data, and then easily from trash only by one click. If you have any question or problem to solve, you can click here and ask your questions. You might get a video or any info that will be really useful. Let's look at the free plan options. This plan is for your personal use. For commercial use, you need to have Plus or business account.